Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Here we have this trim piece I had to remove right there. We got the front bumper off. Just a couple clips and some of these. We're removing this heat thing because you can see the motor's hitting from the spacer that was installed. So we're gonna probably cut a lot of this inside or cut the hole there. And we need to clean the terminals too.
Yeah.
So we'll do that. There she goes. Oh, there's one last one, but there we go.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Yeah, car's
Anything out the trunk?
Car's too loud.
Oh shit. Yeah, you know it's always nice when you find extra bolts.
I mean, it is a drift car. What can I say? I'm not getting this truck. Lane! Damn, son.
What's all this electronics here for?
Oh, my amp. Oh, my. Man. Big boy wanted it. Oh, big boy.
So angry.
Well, I guess I never introduced you guys to the new G35, the drift car right now. So we got the rear up in the air because we got to mount some tires. We got. I'm gonna probably end up buying 2 extra wheels because I don't like sliding on 18s because finding 18s is kind of hard because I want a 225 55 17 tire, so I might get 17-inch wheels today. We got some more drift spares, I guess you would say. This is what I was sliding on. I have a mess in here, of course. I'm cleaning up right now. It's got so much. I have an SR20 over there. So I get this tire machine from Harbor Freight. I mean, it works. You just need probably like 2 people to actually mount it because it's not that easy. That was an old drift spare that I was drifting on. So it was time to swap them. Right now with the G, we just got some. So I'll show you guys the modifications it has. So in the front, I'm running 2 45 18s. They're Continental Contact. They're pretty good. I was sliding on these, but then I realized the car was understeering too much because I had 2 25s in the front. So I put the 2 45s in the front from the back and put the ones in the front, the 225s, in the back. So we stripped the rear. The rear of the vehicle is stripped now. So it has Brembos. It has a 370Z white pipe all the way back, a straight pipe. It still has a stock resonator. It's catless. 6-speed manual. It has a VLSD, so it does have the LSD. It's cool, but it only locks when you dump the clutch. So if you're trying to take a turn, it don't really lock. So I've had it for probably a month now. Nah, probably not 2 weeks. So I added the oil catch can on here. I added that. It has a plenum spacer, cold air intake, lights and flywheel, stage 1 clutch. Let me see what else. The full straight pipe in it, and it has a flame map tune. I put a new battery in it because I needed it. So that's about it. I mean, it's not too much. We might do a bigger throttle body or something like that. But it's gonna be a drift car. We already have a full wrap coming for it. So yeah, full like FT type wrap. So we're about to clean this air filter right now and put that stuff over there, and then we'll get it back on. And it started raining. Nice.